Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you my solution to the drip edge. See the new building, the drip edge is just digging holes into wearing away the sand and stuff around here. This is going to get black dirt, but for now it's just the sand. But you can see how it's doing my sidewalk and around my slab for my driveway. So I went with a 4-foot overhang, but I didn't want the concrete to be directly underneath it because then it'll wear down the concrete after a while. So decided to pound these stakes in, and finished product, I'm going to pound them down, flush with the concrete slab, and I'm going to put this edging on it. It's called terrace board. It's like a composite edging, made in Minnesota. So I'm going to put that down, and they say use the little stakes, but it's not going to be that good. So what I'm going to do is put on the outside of these stakes so that the wood will be hidden by the rock, and I'll show you what that looks like in the next step once I pound them down and fasten this edging around it, and I'll show you how it's supposed to look. I mean, you guys know how to pound stakes and everything, so it's not a big deal. So this is what it looks like 20 minutes later. Don't mind how it's kind of wavy a little bit because there's no dirt on this other side. Once the dirt gets on the other side, you'll be able to manipulate this edge in. So see how it bowls in, so you can get your nice evenness. So you won't have to worry about it, but looks pretty good. It's a nice drip edge. Won't wear the soil away like it is. And then what you do for the 90s is they have a corner stake. You just put it in there, and then I'll go down the driveway. But it's better than having it wear away like this. So yeah, well, pretty easy, pretty cheap too. It was only like $30 for a half a cubic yard of this rock. It's granite, they call it, but 3/4 granite. But I got a ton of it left, so I can do the back around the edge. I can get everything done, and that was only $32 with tax. And then the edging was $18 for 40 feet. Here's a corner stake to make a nice corner with it. Pound those in, but these are actually made for the steel siding. I don't know if you can see that steel siding, but I just paint it black. Don't care about runs, who cares, you're just gonna see the top. But yeah, so we'll solve my problem, and should look pretty good once this gets all leveled up with grass and everything. This grass I just planted 2 weeks ago, and it's coming in great. It's a store brand. It's not like Schultz or Pennington or anything. It's or Scott's. It's actually a Midwest store brand that came in beautiful. But yep, well, hope this helps you guys out think about idea on how to finish your drip edge. Thanks for watching.